Hello, konnichiwa, boom, bang, hola. What's going on, my Ari fam? Wagwan. Lots of things going on over here. Almost 1,000 subscribers. Maybe by the time I finish uploading this video, I hit 1,000. Yay! Yay! If you're not yet a part of the Ari family, what are you waiting for? Where are we going right now? Where are we going? We're going to the convenience store. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Once again, big up to all my family members, all the old and new. I'm not calling you all, but you don't know the thing set up. Yeah, man, let's go to the convenience store. I'm going to just show you a quick snapshot of how the convenience stores are in Japan. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I decided that it's not going to be just blood-related family experiences.
The community
Yes.
is family.
Things Jamaican. Promoting brand Jamaica. Okay, so I'm at 7-Eleven and this is just one of the convenience stores. In Japan, there are so many. There's 7-Eleven, there's Lawson, and all of them do have the similar features. So this is all the banks, ATM, that are that you can use, the ATM machine for all these banks, face to face. When you say convenient, I'm telling you, it's really convenient, right? So you can do basically everything here. You can get everything here. You can pay your bills. Can you pay my bills? Oh, that truck there come spoil up, man. Okay, open sesame. So you can do basically everything here. You have so many different stuff that you need that you can get. Skincare products, stocking, and it's open 24 hours every day, all day, every day. Okay, baby. So if you run out of something, you can just run, come and shop. And they have these convenience stores like basically at every street corner. Everywhere you turn, you see one. There's also Mega Marts. I forgot that one. Right? So, yeah. See, you can get practically everything from a pen to a stocking. And accessories for the phone, batteries, every single thing. Let's go over to the magazine section. Yes, man. Sometimes I see the look old man them over here, so I read and I look on the sexy girl them. You see what going on? Whoa! We never know the magazine here in Japan. The things appear innocent. Yes, man. Sometimes you see them, and you can literally stand up here and read the books. Nobody now rush you and tell you, hey, yo, you buy or not. See, what is this? Monomax camera. You see, you have everything, every single thing in the convenience store. Coming now to the card section, you can get literally all sorts of cards. Nintendo. I don't even know how some of these cards work. Google Play, of course, and these are the price ranges, 15 to 50,000. So it depends on what you want. You can buy your Apple and iTunes cards. There are also gift cards, Amazon gift cards. I'm not seeing any now. Oh yes, see, happy birthday. So many different options. Very, very, very convenient. There are games and DVDs. And Japan still, yeah, they still you get a newspaper, everything. They still use DVD. I'm gonna do a video about that. Things that people don't know about Japan. It's highly technological country, but they believe in their traditional ways. So they still use DVD and Polaroid cameras. That's what them name, Polaroid. If you're having a party and you run out of cups, come to the convenience store. See there? Every single thing. Bag, all sort of stuff. See? Listerine, your mouth can't stink. Toothpaste. Of course, some of the things are a little bit more expensive than what you'd find in a general shop or supermarket. Still at the skincare section, you come all the way down. See, Ariel soap for you to wash your clothes then, and you have snacks, and not, don't forget the liquor. You can get your liquor. Right. Oh, I think I passed the ATM section. I don't want to really stop there for too long because I don't want to think that I'm doing anything illegal. But that's the ATM right over there, and that's the bathroom. So if you are, you need to get something done, you can run to the bathroom. I hope you guys didn't see me in the mirror because I'm not dressed for this. There's a fridge with basically all sorts of drinks, everything that you can think of. And you don't even have to worry about the drinks because, let me move from where the music. Alright, so this is the Obento section. Okay, egg. If you want to make some breakfast and you run out of egg, you run come to the convenience shop. Banana, 100 yen for one banana. No, them can't stay with that. See? Obento section. You get all sorts of lunch. I forgot my mask, so I'm gonna run out of this place quickly before, just like a quick view of what's going on. So lunch them there. The price, oh, $3.86. So it's not bad. You get a nice little lunch, cheap, not too bad, isn't it? Photocopy and print stuff, they also do that, and you can take passport size pictures and all sort of stuff using this machine, which is really oh, them have English version, so yeah, quite convenient, ain't it mate? Another one called Lawson. And did I mention that you can I think Pickles the Gaijin, he's been in Japan for years. He mentioned that people actually buy like liquor and sit outside and have it like friends. So it's basically the same, as you can see. Basically, you'll see the same sort of amenities and facilities. The water shelf going down. Yeah. So yeah. Ice everything everything that you need, it's at the convenience store, and that's one of the things that we will miss as foreigners, because you can literally do everything. You can get everything, you can do everything at the convenience store. You can get a full meal, soy sauce ramen, fresh. They actually have some of these things in English. Fresh pasta with vegetables and tomato sauce, spaghetti meat sauce, dripping noodles. Of course, the prices are not, so you can go on. It's a meal for $2.48 yen, not bad. Salt chow mein with shrimp and vegetable, and I've tried these before and they actually taste good. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please come back for my 1K party.